family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, we have my Halloween wardrobe, okay? My Halloween fragrance wardrobe and things that I would wear for maybe a costume party or, you know, like during Halloween or a fair or a fall fair, things that I would wear for that type of setting. Yeah, I want to show you my wardrobe and what I would pick out, all right? Let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So first up, I have a pineapple orange. We have some cacao in this, all right? We also have some almond blossom in this. So we have a little nutty flair. We have some amber. We have some tonka bean. There are so many notes in this beautiful fragrance, and I've talked about this before. I talk about, you know, every time I smell this fragrance, it reminds me of Halloween and trick-or-treating, and it just reminds me of, like, you know, something to wear during that season. And so, like, at the top of my list out of this entire lineup, I would have to say Mystic Sugar from corteretochanel, okay? And so this beautiful fragrance, it just gives me like candy and playful and yes, gives me fall, but gives me Halloween, fall festival fun. It is so beautiful, all right? I've talked about this fragrance a lot of times. I've even mentioned that Sharita M put me onto this fragrance, and I have not looked back. It is beautiful. So if you're into fruity, but you want some chocolate, you want some amber, so you want some depth to it, okay? You just don't want to be, you know, I don't want to be candy and fruity, and no, I want some depth. Yeah, this is what you need, what you want. When I tell you, if any of those notes sound amazing, almond, nutty, fruity, pineapple, right? Chocolate, chocolate, cacao, the powder. You know, like if any of those notes smell good, honey, I would try it out. It is one of a kind. It is unique and special, and definitely had to be a part of my Halloween wardrobe, okay? My Halloween fragrance wardrobe, all right? Moving on. Next up, oh my goodness, this gives me holiday, really, right? But had to bring it. So this is jomalone, all right? And this is Ginger Biscuit. I really have not gotten to wear this a lot, but I would say if I was looking for something to captivate me for my Halloween wardrobe, yeah, it would be this. I want to smell like a biscuit. Yep.
Girl, you look so good, somebody ought to put you on a plate and sop you up with a biscuit.
This is why you want to smell out, because I won't smell like a ginger biscuit. But this, oh my goodness, it's just like, again, playful setting, right? Fall festival. It just gives me that lovely, playful feel. Now, I will say, although the bottle is very cute, very cutesy, okay, very demure.
Okay, well, check this out. Now, first of all, you're throwing too many big words at me. Okay, now, because I don't understand them, I'm going to take them as disrespect. Watch your mouth.
The fragrance does not give me very mindful, right? I think it forgets about me after maybe like 2-3 hours. It's like, who are you, okay?
Who are you and what are you doing here?
So to me, it doesn't last, unfortunately, you know, yeah, it doesn't last, but for the moment, will I be smelling like a good old ginger snap biscuit? Yeah, give me some milk and cookies. Well, no, like milk goes with the ginger. You know what, I haven't had a good old ginger snap in quite a while. Maybe I need to get that snack for the fall season. Since I'm into this and this is in my wardrobe, I might need a ginger snap. Those are good. and you dip it in milk and it becomes soft and just in your mouth.
No diddy, you know?
Oh, those that love ginger and ginger snaps, you all feel me, right? With the milk. Those that hate ginger snaps, you're like, girl, don't nobody want that. That's what you just said. You said don't nobody want that. Okay, it's fine. I'm moving on. Moving on. Next up, honey, I can be like the ice cream woman, like the ice cream shop woman, like giving like the dessert and here you go, here you go. Like have a whole ice cream truck, you know, I can come alive with that. I had to put a Whiff of a Waffle Cone by Imaginary Authors. Like, of course, like, come on now. Like, we have to put a Whiff of the Waffle Cone. We got to be the ice cream woman. That has the ice cream shop. We gotta be dressed up like the ice cream lady, and you know, get your 1 scoop, get your 2 scoops, get your sprinkles, get your vanilla. This is so good. It had to be a part of my Halloween wardrobe. This is amazing. Like, we got vanilla, heavy cream, salted caramel. So we got some toppings on this. Salted caramel. Ooh, baby, we got some cinnamon in this. This is so good, okay? Please help yourself and pick it up. You know, I think it might have went up, but I think when I purchased this, it was around like 70, 80, some odd dollars. It might be up from there. I didn't check because, you know, everything's going up or is up. Not going, it's there. So it might be a different cost, but it's still worth it. And when I say it compare with you can be vanilla, ice cream cone, and you can be a ginger snap. You can be a ginger biscuit. Ginger and vanilla pulled together, you gonna be a vanilla snap ginger goodness. That's what you gonna be. Go ahead and help yourself, okay? Moving on. Now, I don't dress up for Halloween. I will say, I was just talking to my daughter about this the other day, and she was like, when you were little, what did you dress up as? The only costume I remember when I was little was Barbie. And Barbie had the white mask. Yeah, the Barbie had the blonde hair, but I had the mask. Yeah, it was a little touch and go. That's all I remember as a child is dressing up as Barbie. Okay. I don't know. I mean, but I've never been invited to a costume party, so I've never had to like get dressed for that. I've never been really out during that time, so I've never dressed up for Halloween. And normally, to be very honest, right, when I've grown up, we was in church. It was like trunk or treat or trick or something or candy at the church. It was the candy at the church. Okay, so you was trick or treating at church. So that's how I grew up. So I really didn't get to dress up. But if I was dressing up for Halloween, I'm gonna be a whole chocolate bar. Yep, that's what I said. I'm gonna be a whole Hershey chocolate kiss, Hershey chocolate bar. And I'm gonna bring Chocolate Queen with me. Navitus, Gabby Loves Perfume. Yeah, she created. Yeah, this her. And I'm gonna be chocolate. Now I don't know what you gonna be, but I'm gonna be cocoa. I'm gonna be hot chocolate, cocoa, chocolate bar. That's what I'm gonna be for Halloween.
What?
Okay, why do you want to be chocolate? Because I'm chocolate. You know, skin texture. I'm chocolate. But do I want to be a chocolate bar? Either way, let's go back to, I would be definitely, this would have to be in my Halloween wardrobe. Sure would. Show you right. Like, this is good. And I want to always smell like this. Gourmand, I want to always be her and smell like this. And I know my sis Chi-Chi, she with me, right? Because she loves this, right? She might not want to be dressed up like a chocolate bar, though. But that's just a me thing. But she certainly loves this fragrance. I might be alone on the hill. And that's okay. I'm normally alone on the hill, so I'm used to it. I don't get lonely up on that hill. Because I know who I am. I know I'm interested. It's fine. I love y'all too. Okay, moving on. And last but certainly not least, I want to be a blueberry pie. Ooh, and I can smell it from here because I just sprayed her. Ooh, can I just sit in it real quick? Oh my goodness. Ooh, baby, 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 baby. I already did that song. I got so much love. Okay. EBK. Deep in Desire, Yacht. Yeah. I won't be a blueberry pie. For Halloween, I'll be a blueberry pie. That's why I want to smell like a blueberry pie, like this. Okay. This is beautiful. I love this. But I can't wear this every day. Now, I can't wear her every day. But when I take her out and I say, she's dangerous too. Because when you smell like a blueberry muffin cake, anything cakey, it brings a certain little somebody to the yard and it's a problem. So, sure. I'll be a blueberry. Wasn't that in like Willy Wonka? There was the girl that had the attitude, very rich, spoiled. That's the word. Spoiled girl on Willy Wonka. And did she turn into a blueberry?
She'll pop.
It happens every time. They all become blueberries. Would you roll the young lady down to the juicing room at once, please?
I got a blueberry for a daughter.
When she was eating that gum and Willy Wonka said, don't eat that gum. And she chewed it and then it turned into like, it tastes like a pie. It tastes like, what was it? Like Thanksgiving dinner. And then they moved to like an appetizer dinner and then went to dessert. And the dessert was like a blueberry pie or something. All that to say, oompa loompa doopa dee doo. I got another buzzer on you. Do you want to smell like a blueberry? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, like I could get a job. I mean, I do have a job, but I could get a job as an Oompa Loompa. I could make up some songs. That's not what we're talking about. Okay, so Deep in Desire, amazing. Okay, if you want to smell like a blueberry muffin, probably after that you are very scared. You like, I want no parts of this fragrance. If it has me acting like that, no thank you. But she good. She really is good. She's good, sis. I promise. But this is so good and scrumptious, and all my gourmand lovers, this is your best friend. Trust me. You'll thank me later. I don't know if I would be on a yacht with that, but it's definitely desirable, good, and delicious. Okay? Well, that is all. That is all, family, for my Halloween fragrance wardrobe. Okay? What would you be rocking, if you were out and about, like fall festival or Halloween or a costume party or whatever you have going on in this season? What would you wear? What would your picks be? I would love to know, because if it has anything to do with candy and smelling sweet, yeah, I need that comment below. Hook me up. All right. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.